Hey everyone, welcome back to iFlera. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install CLion on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon model. This guide works for both. If you're a C or C++ developer, CLion is one of the best IDEs out there. Built by JetBrains, it offers smart code analysis, a powerful debugger, and great support for CMake and other build systems. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type download CLion and press enter. Click on the official JetBrains website from the search results. I've also added the direct link in the video description below. Once you're on the download page, choose your Mac version, Intel or Apple Silicon, and click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. Download time may vary based on your internet connection. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. A new window will appear. Drag the CLion icon into the Applications folder. This installs CLion on your Mac. You can now close the installer window and move it to the trash to clean up space. Next, open Finder, go to the Applications folder, and launch CLion. If you see a message saying CLion was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. On first launch, you'll be asked to review and accept the user agreement. Click Continue to proceed. If you already have a license, click Activate Code and enter your credentials. If not, select Start Free Trial to explore CLion for free. And that's it. CLion is now installed on your Mac and ready to help you write, debug, and test C and C++ code with ease. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tutorials from iFlera. See you in the next one.